1.5 years ago, we decided to venture into this business. Just look at where we started from and compare that to what we have right now. Is that not amazing? I know most of you guys really don't know where we started from. So guys, let me take you back in time. 18 months ago, we started this very farm with just only 15 animals. So compare that to what we have right now. So currently, the farm is housing over 80 animals. So guys, we're supposed to be having more than that. And as you know, like as a farmer, you cannot run away from mortality. So we lost some few animals, but still we managed what to keep up the pace and able to grow the number. Guys, in this video, I'll give you a quick tour of the farm and share with you an insight of what has enabled us like to accumulate the number within the shortest time possible. So stick around till the very end so that you don't miss any of the amazing tips. Without wasting much time, let's dive straight into it. So guys, come on, let me give you a quick tour of the farm. So at the beginning, we started this farm with only one compartment, but as time went by, we kept on adding different compartment. So we added 2 more compartments, and in total we have 3 compartments, and each compartment has a role to play toward the growth and development of this farm. So let's start the tour with our first compartment. So this compartment, it is our first compartment, and it is the main compartment. It is called the main yard. This compartment, it is mainly for the animals that are pregnant and only winners. As you can look around, it is pretty much big. Yes, we have a lot of exercising area, we have the shade, everything is in place. Though it is like a simple structure, but it has helped us to get the number that we have right now. Secondly, this is another compartment. So it is called the kid pen or the kid unit. So in this compartment, it is where we take care of our newborn or our newly arrived kids. So we take care of them until they reach a winning point. That's where we send them off from this compartment to the main yard. As you can look like, ours is like a ground kid pen. It is well protected. As you can look around, we have constructed it using a brick so that we protect them from the coldness. Lastly, this is the most important compartment at our farm. So as you can look around, this is called the production unit. So this is where the magic happens. So you see all those animals, they came from this compartment. So in this compartment, it is where mating take place, because like as you know, as a farmer, you need to take care of your animals, you need them to multiply. So this is where it happens. So as you can look, the guy in there is doing an amazing job. Having taken a quick tour of the farm, so here is what has enabled us like to accumulate this number within the shortest time possible. So our point number 1 is being actually on ground. So guys, ever since the farm has started, I have never left the farm. So I've been the one like looking after the animal when they're sick, taking them for grazing and all that and all those things. Simply because like we are not, I'm not coming from an agricultural background, so I needed like to understand the dynamic of the how the business work very well from the start, so that like by the time I employ someone, I know what can happen at the farm if you try to do a certain activity, maybe like if you try to put like a certain input, what are the results required. So like I did really pretty much like to understand the dynamic of the business. That is number 1. Then secondly, I also like I never wanted like to leave the business at a fragile state. You see, like most of us like fail in our business simply because like we tend to leave our business when it is too fragile, at a point whereby even we don't understand how the business work. We don't understand the dynamic of the business. So that's why we have been able to register such an significant amount within the certain time possible. Our point number 2 is concentrating in one business. Ever since the start of this farm, I never like thought of leaving like this business, maybe like going to venture into a different business, like for example like a poultry business, simply because like you see like by the time I came out with this business idea, I already made up my mind. I said like whether come or not, like I will do this business till I succeed in it. So doing one business at a time will make you understand the dynamic of the business very well. You understand, like you focus, you put your energy in one business, whether like even if like you see like a certain person, maybe like it's like making money like from poultry business. Like, yeah, when you know like really lot, you're doing the right thing and everything's gonna be good. So concentrating in one business has been like a key success for us, like to register these significant numbers. So thirdly, it is what we call like what, not giving a damn about what people say. You see, like in the current world we are living in, like society has already defined how we should rule our life. Like for example, like the society has it done like everyone has to go to school, you have to go to university. After finishing, you need to get a job. After getting a job, you need to work in an office. But now if you tend like to deviate from the normal order, you people will say like that is pretty much wrong. They tend to criticize you. They give they say a lot of bad thing about you. So like not giving a damn about what people say is like, it is what has enabled us like to register this number, because like we are focused. No matter what, we have to what to achieve our target. We have to achieve the number that you have said. So guys, like let me tell you, this is just like a little number, because like we have a very big number to achieve. So if you watch it at this point, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, yeah, that's pretty much it. We out, kaboom.